Guys, made it to CARMAX. Let's see what they offer. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, here is my Q50. And as you guys read by today's title of the video, we are going to be heading to CARMAX to value this car, see what they offer. I already know it's not going to be what I want, but I thought, why not? Just try it out. You never know, maybe they could give me an offer that I can't refuse, which I doubt, but anything is possible, right? Ran into the homie Nick with his brand new car. I told him if he wants to test his car out with this Q50 just to get his first race in, and he said he's down. So let's see how bad we get gapped. Must be nice. Should I get a BMW? Oh my god, that car is so beautiful. Alright guys, made it to CARMAX. Let's see what they offer. What do you guys think? Before we go in here, what do you guys think they're gonna offer? My guess, my honest guess, is gonna be like 15,000. The dude here actually says since my car is modified, they're gonna give me a lot less for it. So they told me to go online, pretend the car stock, and see what they offer. So we're gonna go ahead and do this real quick.
12 seconds later.
That was a lot faster than I thought. 14,000, and this is supposedly that it's stock. Wow. You're looking into mom cars. What do you guys think? Should I get her this M40i? This has a B58 in it, right? I'm almost positive it comes with a B58. Imagine gapping cars coming back from the grocery store. You guys see me in the Tesla? Bro, what the heck? The AC's already on? Look, it's nice in here, dude. Model X, are these fast? Honestly, I don't even know about Teslas like that. I'm not gonna lie, I've been thinking about getting a truck. The only thing that sucks is that you can't really make that much content. But it'll be sick towing the Z in one of these. 4 cylinders, bro? Hell no. M240i? These cars are very nice, it's just too tiny for me. Too small. It has a B58 in this. It's like a baby Supra, it's so small. It has the red guts though. Oh yeah, this car is way too small. It's sick though. Are the keys in here? Oh shit, bro, the keys are in here. Should I start it? Sheesh. Come here! She's all scared because I started it. Well, this thing is sick, look-y. I feel like this might be one of the next cars, the B58. Either if it's a Supra, M340i. These cars are, this specific car is really sick. It's just too small for me. Let's see what else we could do with this. Can we put it in sport? Sport plus. Should I rev it a little bit? Oh, I like this car, look. Bro, for 29,000? It's not too shabby, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I just wish it was a little bit bigger. It's too tiny, bro. It's too tiny. She's over here in the GT350. Oh my god, these cars are so beautiful. $62,000, bro. You're tripping. I mean, I guess that's what they're worth, but is the key in there? Try to start it. Try to start it. Bro, just try to start it. Why are you scared? Just press the button. Don't start it. Just press the button. See if it starts. Nah, no key. Last time I came, me and Eric started the cars like this. No, dude. Why are you scared? Oh my god, the bucket seats are so tight in this car.
Look at the back seat. There is no back seat.
Sick! Back seat delete. Oh my. What the brake isn't on? What the freaking CarMax worker parked the car without the brake? Oh, the key's not even in here either. That was a fail. Damn, a 5th gen Z01. Not too bad of a price, I guess. Oh, this thing is clean, bro, and it's red. I would actually cop this. Oh my gosh, the seats in that thing were Carl's. Of course it's locked. I need a V8 in my life. I need a V8, I need a BMW, I need a GTR. I need everything, bro. You guys, I really like this BMW. I know it's super tiny, but oh, I just like it. I don't know. Black, red interior. But like, what would I do to this car? The front's sick, but the rear looks weird to me. Okay, what? Lower it? What wheels would I even put on this? I don't know, it's just it's too small for my liking, but this is a sick ass car. And it's pretty cheap, bro. 29,000, it's not that bad. You're pretty much paying 29,000 for a Supra without it being a Supra, but everything else is the same. I just want to start it again. Let's start it in sport. See how it sounds in sport. Cause I know these B50s be popping sometimes on startups. Oh, it has a check engine light on it. I can get used to this chime, bro. I like this car. What do you guys think? M248? I know these cars are freaking fast because of how light they are too. So since this car is too small and I like the whole BMW thing, what do you guys think? M340i instead? I don't know, bro. At this point, I just want another car. I'm open to a lot of options. Damn, they're trying to sell this Volkswagen with the oil leak. Sick ass food. Let's see if it's actually oil. Yep, definitely oil. Well, this is kind of a fail, I guess. $14,000, way too low. And that's it being stock. Modified, they probably offered me like 10,000 or something.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, we're back at the crib. Let's go back and talk about the offer that they gave me at CarMax. Dude, $14,000 for the car being stock. Honestly, I would have been okay with that if it was modified. As I mentioned in the video, when it's modified, they do offer less. And when it's stock, obviously they offer more. Just because I guess the modified cars go to like an auction or something like that, and they could actually sell a stock car. But with that being said, I'm not gonna give up. I'm going to sell this car or trade it in or something. Mostly because I'm just like tired of it. I was even thinking the other day, like just keeping it, manual swapping it, but I don't know, guys. I feel like for all that money, I could just get something better at this point. So what I did right now is I found a car that I actually liked. I went on the dealer's website and tried to see if I get like an appraisal for the car. If I trade it in, maybe it's better than CarMax. I don't know. I feel like if I trade this car in for a car that I want, like if I buy a car, if I trade this in and actually buy the car, maybe they'll give me more. I don't know. But anyways, enough of that. Do you guys miss this car? Because I do. So for this car, we're just waiting on parts. And I'm saving up a little bit more because I think I want to do more stuff than I initially wanted to. The thing that's really holding us back is my tuner schedule. He is very busy. That man is a one-man team. He tunes, builds motors, builds turbo kits, installs them. Like, he does a lot. He's a one-man team, so that is honestly holding us back a lot. With that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.